Okay, sorry. Sorry.
अब बहुत देर हो गई आप पनिशमेंट मिलेगी ताकि अगली बार when I'm working तब मुझे फिर से डिस्टर्ब करोगी कि नहीं?
नहीं करूँगी.
नहीं करोगी.
I just sorry.
करोगी, हाँ.
Sorry, I can't breathe. Okay, sorry.
Listen, I love you.
Abhi? I'm getting very scared now.
Scared of what? उसे प्रॉब्लम है कि यार मेरे फ़ोन पे इतनी लड़कियों का नंबर क्यों है या मैं फिर 10-11 बजे के बाद में क्यों मैसेज करता हूँ.
They're not bloody talking about work. They just want to get into his pants. And they want a job in his office. That's what they want to do. And he's a good looking boy.
मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड्स जो हैं, मेरे दूसरे फ्रेंड्स जो हैं, जो लड़कियां हैं, वो अगर ब्यूटीफुल हो, I'm not going to stop meeting them or having them over.
Obviously, sometimes I get jealous. You can't blame me for it. I'm getting very scared now.
Scared of what?
Of losing you.
I'm right here.
पता है? मेरी शालिनी से बात हो रही थी. And she said that Sonia still wants to get back with you.
Ananya is a bit possessive for no reason.
इतनी चालू है वो लड़की. उसने अभी को इतने बुरे से फंसा रखा है. It's not even funny and he doesn't understand that.
If my ex-girlfriend is in love with me, it's not my fault.
Just when he's about to move on, तुम फिर से उसकी लाइफ में आ जाती हो. I don't know what her game is. मैं तो
I don't care what she said. And frankly, I don't even want to know.
You know, I was just thinking, just like that, कि शायद अगर तुम और मैं नहीं मिले होते, maybe, you know, maybe तुम और सोनिया, you would have gotten back. And आंटी को भी तो सोनिया बहुत पसंद है, नहीं?
और मुझे तुम पसंद हो. You understand? And there's no version of my life जहाँ पे तुम मुझसे नहीं मिलती.
अभी? Are you sure about us? I mean, मैं तुम्हें रश तो नहीं कर रही ना?
क्या बेकार का डिस्कशन है ये? I love you and you love me and that's all that matters.
एक सवाल पूछूं?
नहीं यार, मत पूछो. ये क्वेश्चन आंसर का टाइम नहीं है. सवाल जवाब से बेटर हम बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं.
अभी Do you still miss her?
Who, Ananya?
Sonia. Do you still miss her? Do you still love her? अभी मुझे लगता है कभी-कभी I think he hides his feeling. I feel वो शायद मुझे hurt नहीं करना चाहता है, इसलिए शायद नहीं बोलता है.
Why you asking me all this? Why?
क्योंकि मैं जानना चाहती हूँ यार. That where do we stand? This relationship, ये मतलब is it serious for you? Is it seasonal?
और ये बात तुम्हें अभी करनी है.
Yeah. Because I don't want to get hurt again. You remember Ranveer, right?
I'm not Ranveer. Okay?
I don't know what to say.
Why don't you not say anything?
I don't think he has any emotions and that bothers me actually. So I would actually like it if he would be a little more possessive about me.
Obviously, I'm better than her exes. That's why she's with me right now.
I don't understand you girls. यार तुम simple matters को इतना complicate क्यों करती हो?
Complicate मैं नहीं कर रही हूँ. तुम करो यार. एक simple सा question है. Why can't you just answer it? Do you still miss her? Do you still love her?
Do you still love what's his name, Ranveer?
No, I don't love
तो
Ranveer.
फिर तुम हर बात पे मुझे उससे कंपेयर क्यों करती हो?
In the mind, it is like, you know, वो ऐसा था. He used to bring me birthday cards and anniversary cards. I hate that.
That's not true, Abhi. I don't love Ranveer and I don't miss him at all.
If you don't miss him, then why are we having this discussion?
क्योंकि मैं जानना चाहती हूँ that where does Sonia stand in your life?
X is X. और मैं नहीं चाहता कि वो हर एक झगड़े में या हर एक किसी एग्जाम्पल में उसका नाम ले. It irritates me.
Doubt होता है यार that I don't know if he thinks I'm good enough for him. तुम ऐसे चुप क्यों हो यार? I need you to look at me and answer.
Yes, I miss her. But I do not love her. She's my past. I love you. You can't understand that much or what? और ऐसे घूरने से कुछ बदलेगा नहीं. I love you, so I love you.
ये धीरे धीरे क्रैक्स जो होते हैं रिलेशनशिप में ऐसे ही शुरू होते हैं कि वन लुक, वन थिंग इन अ मैसेज एंड इट वर्क्स इन द हेड. और लड़कियों का ये है कि एक बार वो क्रैक हो गया तो वो अर्थक्वेक बन ही जाएगा.
You know, I hate you for this. Now please, let me sleep. Switch the lights off.
I'm sorry. And I love you. पता है कोई और होता ना तो कभी सच नहीं बोलता. I'm sorry. Sorry. Sorry.
Don't do that.
Sorry.
Listen, I promise we'll make it work, okay?
I don't know if any relationship is 100% honest. मैं कोशिश करता हूँ कि मैं सब कुछ बता दूँ, लेकिन कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें हैं which you cannot tell your girlfriend.
You know, I can't believe कि गुंजन and वरुण का डिवोर्स हो गया है.
I give him credit. 14 महीने उस ओवर पोजेसिव लड़की के साथ बिताना, मेरे साथ ना 14 दिन नहीं टिकती वो.
Abhi was just being very insensitive to the whole matter and it was really pissing me off. कल तुम ये कह सकते हो कि मैंने तुम्हें स्पेस नहीं दी थी.
Gunjan and Varun rushed into an early marriage without completely knowing each other and they screwed it up. He was so frustrated. I think eventually he said, "Bas ho gaya yaar. I want my freedom. I want my life."
Men like you and Varun do not deserve committed girls like me and Gunjan.
Hi, I'm Abhi. Click subscribe and come be a part of my journey of love with Ananya. And watch us on #LoveBites only on Sony Live.
Watch the next episode on Monday.